Foreclosure doesn't just take your home. It can erase your future. The worst part is most people never get a real court hearing before the sale. Banks, trusts, even HOAs use administrative shortcuts. Hidden owners conceal documents, rubber-stamped eviction process. They move the eviction process over into landlord-tenant court. That day ends today. Introducing the foreclosure defense RICO Writ of Mandamus. This is not just a stall tactic. Forces your fight into federal court. We attack the why behind the fraud, the due process violations, the RICO and federal acts, which are federal laws that are violated all the time. Here's what you get. A plug-and-play federal lawsuit that you can file in district court. It contains a statement of constitutional emergency for immediate attention, rebuilt temporary restraining order and injunction to freeze the sale and the eviction process, fraudulent concealment to toll the statute of limitation. Oh, that means this can be used regardless of how long ago it was. We also have an exhibit guide that you need to drop your proof, your deed, your cancel sales, trust papers, all of that stuff. Just drop right into the lawsuit as exhibits. And the first 10 buyers get a special deal. Well, actually, the first 10, everybody, the deal, this is a $5,000 legal pack. Yours today. This is yours today for only $500. We're launching it right now. It's on the website. If you're in a mortgage foreclosure, property tax foreclosure, HOA foreclosure, or tax lien situation, this is your leverage. In federal court, they must show standing, chain of title, and the real parties in interest. If they can't, you can stop the process and put the operation on trial. Are you ready? Click the link below, head over to winincourtnow.com and get the foreclosure defense RICO Writ of Mandamus to stop the foreclosure eviction, to get yourself back in your house, foreclosure eviction, regardless of how long ago. Put them on trial. Take back your home. People don't realize facing foreclosure, they use administrative shortcut and conceal ownership to take homes without a real hearing. The foreclosure RICO Writ of Mandamus forces your fight over to federal court. So if you guys are facing this problem right now, this is new. The first 10 buyers that invest in this package is going to get one-on-one coaching, and I'm going to help them do the response. This is new, and we're about to get this rolling. So click the link down below, get this, and start playing around.